To add music, simply go to File Import and over here click Add Files, or in a folder where your music is, just drag and drop the music to your Movavi editor. Now just drag and drop your music to the audio track. If you need more audio tracks, just right click it and click Extra Track, Add Music Track. If the music is too long, you can simply position your playhead to the end and click over here Split, and now delete the rest of the music. To change the volume of your music clip, simply select the clip and move this white line up or down, like this. Or double click it, and over here you can change the volume. If you want to completely silence your audio, just untick this volume. I recommend to normalize your track, and you can also change the speed and add some nice fade in and fade out effects to your audio track. If you don't have your own music, you can just click on here on music, download for example one song, and drag it and drop it to your timeline. And this is how you add your music to your timeline into your Movavi editor. Thanks for watching, drop some comments below, and have a nice day. Bye bye.